How to make the right decisions. 1-5-10 Decision Structure Strategy. In today's video, I will share a strategy developed by M.J. DeMarco to help you with the most important decisions you have to face in your life to make sure that you always, or almost always, make the right decision. The main reason why many people fail to achieve their goals in life is because they don't plan enough, and because they don't have a well-defined strategy, leaving everything to chance. The strategy proposed by DeMarco is called the 1-5-10 strategy. It works like this. Take 3 sheets of paper. Title the first sheet, 10 years. On this sheet, write in detail what you would like your life to be like 10 years from now if everything goes well. Be optimistic. What job would you like to have? What type of love life? What type of house? Which car would you like to drive? And what would your typical day be like, to give some examples? Write everything in detail and be specific. Avoid writing rubbish like, I would like to win 100 million euros in the lottery. Don't hold back in what you write, but do be realistic. Let's take an example. In 10 years, you would like to have a net worth of 3 million euros. You would like to have a business that generates 300,000 euros a year in profit. You would like to live in a beautiful house by the sea. You would like to be married to a beautiful woman or man. You would like to do what you want without any financial worries. Obviously, the goals change person to person, but be as detailed as possible. Now take the second sheet of paper and write 5 years. Here, write what your life would have to be like within 5 years in order to be halfway toward reaching the goals that you chose. For example, if within 10 years you would like to have a net worth of 3 million euros, within 5 years you would probably want to have at least 1 million euros, with exponential growth of your net worth in the following years. If within 10 years you want your business to generate 300,000 euros a year in profit, within 5 years, make it your goal to have at least 100,000 euros a year in profit. If within 10 years you would like to be married, within 5 years, you would probably like to already have a relationship with the person you want to marry. Lastly, take the third sheet of paper and write 1 year. Ask yourself what your life will have to be like within 1 year to be 20% closer to reaching your goal that you've chosen to reach within 5 years. Based on the goals shown in our example, you'd probably like to have a net worth of almost 100,000 euros. If within 5 years your business has to generate 100,000 euro a year of profit, within a year, you'd want to have a business that is profitable in some way with excellent foundations that are ready to expand and have an excellent product to sell. When it comes to looking for your ideal partner, a goal for the first year could be to go on at least 20 dates. Also write all of this on the third sheet of paper. Excellent. Now you have the foundation ready to reach your goals and have the life you dream of within 10 years. But most importantly, you've created a decision structure that will help you with the most important decisions you will find yourself facing. From now on, every decision you make will in some way get you closer to your vision of how you'd like your life to be within a year. And it'll be the right decision because it will automatically get you closer to reaching your goals within 5 to 10 years. Every other decision you make that doesn't get you closer to these goals is simply time wasted and is slowing you down in reaching your dreams. I'm obviously not telling you to not go and eat in a restaurant or watch a football game, but in general, everything that you do that isn't in line with the 1-5-10 strategy is a distraction from your main goal and should be limited. Finally, take the 3 sheets of paper and put them up on a clearly visible wall. Always have them in front of you and follow the decision structure you've just developed. You'll be surprised by how your life changes in the next year, in the next 5, and especially in the next 10 years. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to push the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Also, don't forget to activate the notification bell. This way you'll be notified every time a new video is uploaded on the channel. Have a great day!